Watch AI create a complete workforce demographics and compensation dashboard from scratch in under 2 minutes. This is what we're building today. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our employee data file. The import completes instantly. Now, we click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Bricks AI is analyzing our workforce data, identifying key patterns and relationships. It's automatically determining the most valuable insights from employee demographics, salaries, departments, and hiring trends. The AI is now generating multiple visualizations, creating charts for hiring trends, department breakdowns, age distributions, location analysis, and compensation data. It's also building summary tables with recent hires and departmental statistics. Our workforce demographics and compensation dashboard is complete with 6 interactive charts and 2 data tables. We can instantly customize the theme and colors. Now let's enter presentation mode to showcase our dashboard. In presentation mode, everything is optimized for sharing with stakeholders. The layout is clean and professional, perfect for executive meetings or team reviews. Charts are prominently displayed with clear titles and readable fonts. We can easily navigate between different sections and highlight key workforce insights. Exiting presentation mode, we can scroll through and interact with all our visualizations. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.